All right, guys, time to get serious. I'm gonna shed some light on something for you. You could win my 2022 Denali and 10 grand in cash by buying something cool like this headlamp on my website, but you actually don't have to spend any money at all, because if you go to the website, 717supply.com, link down below, you'll get a pop-up. If you sign up for the text and email list, you get 5 entries for free. You could win an $85,000 truck and 10 grand. I'm talking about 100 grand worth of stuff for spending zero. Link down below. Good luck. Get those free entries right now. Firing it off on the Scoot Ski. Good morning. Hope all of you guys are having a great day today. I am starting off the vlog with something I would normally save for the family channel, but you guys haven't seen any off-roading in so long. Let's do a little bit here.
Oh no.
Might be a good picture though. Hey, picture! Oh!
Oh.
Do we have to rescue you quickly?
What?
Yeah, she's good. She's good. After having locking differentials and seeing like how pathetic a vehicle is without them.
Right.
Yes!
I'm not gonna lie though, I was worried. I was in there, I was like, dang, that's probably it. Because there's no way I get lucky on 2 Blazers being invincible, but it appears as though I think every one of them is actually invincible.
Oh.
So we're good. Alright, well, that's it officially, guys. This was the exact same trail, like 3 trails, and this hill that killed the Raptor. The only good thing is, this should be warranty no problem, because I would say driving up a muddy hill is not anything extreme. $100,000 brand new Raptor, all the best equipment. You know, a factory 37 package Raptor, so 37-inch tires. Yes, I had slightly bigger mud tires on it, like not bigger, but heavier. The Blazer also has, I mean, you gotta think the Blazer also has 33s on it, and those come stock with very small tires with a crappy body lift. Blazer did it, no problem. Raptor, dead right there on that rock. I just put that on last night, so let's hope I put the bolts in correctly. I just attached my tow package last night.
Oh, wow. How the hell am I going to do everybody? Here, give me
I'll just hold mine.
No, you're fine. Give me it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, dude.
Oh, the bumper, my brand new bumper's back.
Oh, that tuck. Oh! Dude, I wish I could get the perspective.
That looks good.
Up and down. Since he's like dicking around all day and always braking, I'm gonna record all
He's in here
up and down.
with his wrenches and stuff. What are you doing?
I work on my
You don't need the mount. Just hook the
Michael, it is going to come
back. No, it's
unhooked.
not.
Yes,
Just
it will.
Hook it,
this will flop
hook the
in
battery
engine.
up and go.
Let's go back where we are. We're below middle class.
Steven.
Steven has the nicest truck here.
Peasants.
Look at those guys down there. Oh, my Rubicon has this, has the special locking.
That's how they off-road no damage. And you just come out here and just talk.
44. I know. That's what
Drive
Jeep guys
50
do.
feet out on the trail.
So you bring a Blazer here and like you're busy all day because you're braking.
If you guys could get out of my way so I can go hang out with my
Yeah, you're gonna go hang out with them? Usually I think the Jeep guys do it without pants on though. Those guys still have their pants on, so that's weird.
Watch, I'll tell you I know him. Carl!
That guy didn't respond. You could have yelled any name though and they would respond.
But do you know that? His name
Eric! Oh yeah, a little off-road action. Always a good time, and when your truck looks like that at the end of the day, you know you had an awesome adventure, right? With Bobby and Steve. By the way, Steve is alive. People ask me, and yes, Steve is alive and thriving. He quit YouTube for a while, and that's actually kind of what happened with a lot of the people you used to see on my channel. Sometimes you guys ask. Pretty much everyone has quit YouTube, which is okay. You know, people move on to other things, but Steve did as well. He, however, is back making his grand return, so perhaps you'll see him on more videos in the future. What we need really is a camera guy. We need Ladesh to follow us all day because the funniest, horrible things happen when we're not filming because we're not like, I guess when you film, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Maybe when you're filming, you're looking for things to be funny, but of course, like the best moments happen when you're not expecting it. I was slamming into the back of Bobby every time he stopped, like on Top Gear. I think he got upset maybe once or twice. He got stuck in a mud pit. I pulled him out. It was a really good day. I got stuck at one point, and the full version will be live on the Mike and Gina channel if you want to see the full off-road day. And I think it'll be I think that one's gonna be like 20-30 minutes long because I have like 3 hours of raw footage. But today is not about off-roading on this channel. Today is about getting a new car. And I'm not talking about the next giveaway car or something that's not going to be significant. I'm talking about the next big build. I haven't done a big build on the channel since the Viper ACR, and that car was meant to be more of a long-term thing. But sadly, I ended up not really liking it. And I thought to be honest, I was already kind of getting tired of it before the turbos, but I was like, well, maybe being way faster, it'll be more fun and I'll like it more. But unfortunately, making it faster didn't make me like the actual vehicle anymore. And I want to do something different like that. And the ZR1, I've thought many times about taking it to the next level, but I love that car so much the way it is. I don't want to ruin it, and I've got a very special plan with that car coming up in the next week or two. So what exactly am I planning then? Well, I have 2 builds in mind, and I already bought the one car. That's bought, it'll be here on Monday. So that's really soon. The first one is going to be a big build. And when I say big, I mean like not only the car is a pretty wild car to be the platform, but I mean like crazy power level. 1,500 wheel or more, maybe like 1,400 wheel or more, by far the most insane car I've ever had, and it will be pretty costly. Now the big one, the big build, I won't be doing a whole lot of hands-on stuff because it is, you know, at that level where I probably shouldn't be touching it. The second build, a lower level one, that's when I'm going to do a lot of the work myself, and that's why I'm thinking, well, really, I have 2 cars in mind. Number 1 is a C8 Z06, and that's an easy option for me. I'm very comfortable with the platform. I've seen so many installs. I feel like I could do a lot, and really, it's pretty easy. Pulleys, a blower, not a whole lot going on there. Like, I think just about anybody with the right tools and time could learn how to do that. Of course, the bad part about that is I've done so many. I've done a twin turbo C6 Power Glide car. I've done, you know, obviously my ZR1 and many different variations. That's a big blower car, 2650, not a big blower, but a 2650 blower car. And I almost forgot I did my Pro-Charged Z06 as well, the yellow camo one. That was a fun one, but the point is, I've done a lot with Corvettes and really mainly the C7 platform. Great car, I love them. But maybe something different would be good for me, and really, to be honest, I think it would be. Like I love the Corvettes, but even the thought of, like, I'm already thinking of doing it, and it's like, it's not that exciting. Now, the other car I really like is an S5, and don't laugh, but an S550 Mustang. I had that GT500, loved it, was really impressed by the car. I thought the platform was awesome, and I've been watching a lot of videos on these guys with these 10-speed Mustangs. And what they're doing with a basic bolt-on twin turbo kit is pretty incredible. And it's not that hard to do. It looks like a pretty easy install. It's not super expensive. I feel like I could really do it and make a lot of fun videos installing it. And those suckers move. Like you could do 1,000 wheel, and with the 10-speed, it's a really fast car. So let's go check out a Mustang and see if it's what I really want.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
A full bin, a bin and a half of orders. Now, most of those are the headlamps, which, because we had like a full ad, not on purpose, but it was like a full ad for the headlamps. So we sold a lot of those. But yes, orders are going out. Everyone is working really, really hard here, and we are keeping up. So if you order to win the Denali, which is out front, your order will go out really quickly. If we have it, it's going out like the same day or maybe a day after, but the whole team is working really hard, and thank you guys for the awesome support. Again, orders are going out as fast as we can. We're signing a little shirt, I guess, for someone. Now you can put in like requests on items when you buy, and we will try to get to. Now I can't make any promises. Like if you ask for Ladesh's social security number, like obviously, yeah, I'll give that to you.
Do you need?
Yeah.
Wait, do we
Should
have
we take it out of the? It's in a nice bag though. They come in bags now.
Well,
You're gonna have to rip his shirt out.
Send him a signed one and a non-signed.
I don't know.
What if we signed to something else that's like small? We'll just sign the shirt.
requested a
I'll sign the
shirt,
shirt. He wanted the shirt. Boom.
Some shading. Time lapse. What we got here, boy?
Ooh. Here's $4,000. All right. So everyone who enters after the video goes live tonight, which is like 9 p.m., and then like the next day, is eligible to receive $100 in their order. And you pick, Britt. You can pick.
All right.
Whatever name you think looks good, throw $100 in there.
Best name.
Yep. So yeah, if you want to win this truck and 10 grand in cash to use for whatever you want, and maybe find $100 in your order, link down below. Get anything on the website, and you're automatically entered to win. Thank you and good luck. Here we are at Whitmoyer, and there is the car, the exact car I'll be getting minus the color. Now, I already found the yellow one I want, and if I like it, I'm gonna drive that. That's exactly what I'm getting, base model. We don't need anything fancy. I don't wanna turn the truck off yet. I don't need anything fancy. I just need the 5.0 with the 10-speed. That's it. We don't need anything else because we're gonna be building it and doing lots of stuff. But check this out. Low fuel, I have never, I don't think ever driven that low before in any vehicle. It doesn't even say a mile, like it doesn't even give me miles. It just says low now. And I'm the type of guy where if I'm below 3/4 of the tank, I kind of freak out, like mentally. So this is really bugging me. But my mom, my whole life, drove around on E, and it stressed me out. And I know people like that. I don't get how they do it. But anyway, let's check out the 5.0 with the 10-speed, which I've never driven, by the way. And we'll see how she does. But I think that's gonna be the car right there. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but I mean, I've seen the videos. They can be really badass. I already found the car I want. Ooh, it has leather and all that. I think the one I actually found has cloth, so not even quite this nice. But I did find the one I want, and it's yellow, and that could kind of be a cool way to color code the cars on the channel. If it's yellow, because we're doing the all yellow garage for 23, if it's yellow, not a giveaway. If it's not yellow, it might be a giveaway. One thing I will say, we had that Mach 1 for a while. The Mustangs sound really good, and I have not driven the 10-speed yet. I'm pumped to see what it's like. I think it's going to be pretty epic. I feel like this is a car that not only will race, God, it really is. These new ones are so different than old ones. Like, they drive so tight and so good. You feel like you're in something much more exotic and special than a Mustang with the new S550s. It's really, as a guy who doesn't drive them all the time, and I'm not like a huge Mustang guy, when you get in one, you gotta give them a lot of credit. They drive really well. And that's kind of what I'm saying. That's kind of my point. It's a really good car. They're really nice to drive. I think I'll enjoy it. And being twin turbo will be badass. And those 10-speed, just the way, when you hear them shift when they're turboed and all, and they're making all kinds of power, they sound so good. They're always in that power band. They rev pretty high to 8K. I like this. I really like this. I could definitely see racing this, doing a lot of racing, a lot of fun, and you know, building it myself. And on top of all that good stuff, they're cheap. It does all of it for a really good price. The one I want, the yellow one, I think I can do everything, twin turbo kit and all, for about 55 grand. And that's that's a really crazy deal. You get a great daily driver, a practical, reasonable car with a 1,000 wheel. Gonna be super fun to drive for 55 grand. I mean, a lot of cars can make that power, but can it do all of this? It's a very good value. Oh man, I think I remember driving a 10-speed before because I was like shocked at how good it is. It feels like a dual clutch, and that's what I'm feeling right now. So I think like, it's so good that I remember it being this good in another car. I remember thinking to myself, how is a torque converter auto this good? So I think I did drive one before. Oh, it's so good. Listen, like, click the paddle. It's right there. It's like a dual clutch. It's insane. Upshift. I'm not even fully on it, and it's that fast. Listen, that is so freaking fast. Oh man, I love it. I think it's a go. I really think it's a go. I'm going to put my order in with Beaver. Not order, but like the car I want. He'll get it for me. It'll be here tonight. Let's do one pull. And go. The shifting is incredible. It is incredible. I'm in. The Lincoln is merging not properly, but real quick, look at the POV of the shifting. Ready? Watch when I hit the paddle. That's incredible. That is incredible. It's like a dual clutch. Look here. Amazing. Okay, I don't think I was gonna hit the Lincoln, but amazing. It's a really good car, and I'm very glad I came here and drove this because I was already pretty much locked in on the Mustang, but this really like cemented it for me. This is the right car. I want to do something different, and this is fantastic. I can't imagine with this car revving like that with some boost on this trans. Oh yeah, she gonna rip. So let me know what you think in the comments. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give this upload a big thumbs up. Mustang coming soon. Take care and have a great night.